like that.
No, don't touch Tasha.
What are you doing, Tashi? You're teaching your little brother really bad things.
What are you guys doing? Now, I want to blow you guys up.